Welcome to Bari, the charming capital of Italy's Puglia region, a city where history meets the sea and every corner tells a story. Bari Vecchia, the historic heart of the city, is a labyrinth of narrow alleys. Here, time seems to stand still. You can feel the history in the walls, the culture in the air, and the warmth of the people in every smile. The Basilica of San Nicola is a must-visit. This 11th century church is not only a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture but also a significant pilgrimage site. It's home to the relics of St. Nicholas, the inspiration for Santa Claus. Bari's port has been the city's lifeline for centuries, connecting it to the world. The fish markets here are as lively as they come, offering a glimpse into the daily life of the locals and the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. No visit to Bari is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. From orecchiette pasta to fresh seafood, every meal here is a celebration of Puglian flavors. And don't forget to try the focaccia barese, a local twist on the classic Italian bread. Take a stroll along the Lungomare Nazario Sauro, Bari's iconic seafront promenade. It's the perfect place to unwind, with stunning views of the Adriatic and a relaxed atmosphere that embodies the essence of Bari. While Bari is steeped in history, it's also a vibrant, modern city. The Murat district, with its wide streets and elegant buildings, offers a different perspective on Bari, one that's cosmopolitan yet still deeply connected to its roots. As the sun sets, Bari comes alive with energy. The nightlife here is a blend of tradition and modernity, with something for everyone, whether you're looking for a quiet dinner or a lively night out. Bari is more than just a city, it's an experience. A place where past and present coexist, offering visitors a journey through time, taste, and tradition. Come discover Bari, where the heart of Puglia beats strongest.